Some more athletics news now, as sprint hurdlers Megan Tapper and Orlando Bennett were among a number of senior athletes who stole the spotlight and booked their tickets to the World Athletics Championships later this year on Sunday's final day of the J3's National Senior and Junior Athletics Championships.
Olympic bronze medalist Megan Tapper stole the spotlight on the final day after creating an upset to land her fourth national title, decimating the field, which included national record holder and dethroned champion Akira Nugent in a race executed flawlessly.
Set. Off they go. Megan Tapper was away like a rocket. Akira Nugent draws alongside her now. The rest have some catching up to do. Megan Tapper steps ahead of Nugent. Megan Tapper, the little point-sized dynamo, looks supreme. She looks superlative.
Absolutely. First of all, the personal best. I was running the times equivalent in training, and I just came out here, and as coach said, get that lead leg quick, and that's exactly what I did. I knew that all these ladies out here are formidable opponents. Akira, of course, is definitely somebody who, you know, if you're toe-to-toe with her, then you're literally one of the best in the world. So I decided to come out here and just give it my best.
Tapper, who will be one of 4 Jamaican women sprint hurdlers at the World Championships in Tokyo in September, clocked a lifetime best at 12.34 seconds, upstaging pre-race favourite Nugent 12.41 and Amoy Brown 12.67. It was sweet redemption for Tapper, who ended 4th in 2024 before falling awkwardly after passing the finish line.
This year, as I've been telling you guys, has been completely different, and this is just halfway to where Megan could be this year. Well, Megan will be this year. We're speaking it into being audacity of a Jamaican man.
With the defending champion Rashid Broadbell withdrawing from the final in the men's equivalent after picking up an injury during warm-up, 2018 World Under-20 silver medalist Orlando Brown stepped up, winning his first national title in a season's best 13.10, just 1/100th of a second off his personal best. Bennett bested Demaria Prince, who clocked a personal best 13.12, and 2014 World Under-20 silver medalist Tyler Mason.
I was coming out here to PB. That was the mindset. Because I know where I'm at in my training, and I know that early part of my season was really the best. I didn't really get to show it in the Grand Slam as I would have liked, but I just put that to the side. Lock in my focus, and I just kept grinding.
Brian Lavelle made up for his disappointing performance in the men's 100 meters by defending his 200 meters title, booking his ticket to the World Championship with his 20.08 seconds clocking, winning ahead of Chris Taylor and Adrian Carr.
You in yesterday's qualifier, given that you pulled up in the 100 meters, what happened there on Friday night?
Well, it was just a bad Friday night for me, and I just took my mind off it and focused on my 200. Coming in the 200 final, body felt sore, so we'll just come out here and get the qualifying time more than a fast time, so we'll just start.
With the absence of world champion Sharika Jackson, Ashanti Moore was crowned women's 200 meters champion, winning ahead of Gabrielle Matthews and Renisha McGregor. National record holder Rasheen McDonald, despite running a season's best 44.89 seconds to win the men's 400 meters final, missed the world championship qualifying mark of 44.85 with a bizarre celebration with about 20 meters to go. McDonald got there ahead of the fast finishing Delano Kennedy and former champion Javon Powell. In the women's equivalent, Nikisha Price won a second national title with a season's best 49.97 ahead of Dejanay Oakley and Stacey Williams. Meanwhile, Jordan Scott gave himself a birthday present as he's once again the national champion after winning the men's triple jump with a best effort of 17.15 meters.
Not necessarily the mark I was aiming for. I think it was just coming out there to compete, to come first. So grateful with the performance today. Was hoping for something bigger, but it is what it is.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.